Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so we only using one account. Most people that use My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we only using one, guys. And that's simply because people are just starting with only trial with one before they really, get into it. You know what I mean? And I just want to show you the results of what you get if you did just that, guys. Now, you may get better results than me, less results than me. I'm not entirely sure. But this is what I'm getting. Alright, guys. So if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I first like promoting $25 business. And that's because it's a very good product. It's essentially a funnel builder. And funnel builders are dedicatedly stuff that you need to promote products that you're selling and make money off of, to really elevate your, that's not the only thing you can do, but to really elevate your making money online, you kind of need one. And this is $25 per month. The most popular funnel builder out there, guys, is ClickFunnels, which is $149 per month. It's just insane. And if you and it has a ton of limitations on the funnel builder, a ton of stuff you can't do with it that you normally, a certain amount of funnels and stuff. There's limitations, you know what I mean? If you want to get rid of those same limitations that you don't have any limitation with this product, but you want to get rid of those limitations on that product, you have to pay $300 per month. That's an entire year in this product here, guys. That's bamboozling. And I used to pay that. Because I thought that was the only way to do it. They're the pioneers, so they can just ask any price they want. Most people still stick with them because they make a ton of money with them. They don't really mind paying extra. But anyway, guys, the second reason why I like promoting the product is because of its affiliate system, guys. Its affiliate system, 80% recurring commissions. This is the thing that really got my eyes glued to this product to promote, guys. I've never seen anything that said 80% recurring commissions as I ever seen, guys. And that's the main thing that really kind of made my head turn a bit. And I think you guys are with me when I say the products really kind of scale your income real quick because of that. 80% recurring income is insane. Alright, guys, so we're going to look at our results here. We're going to hit the refresh button because it's very easy to change these numbers around. If they show you results and they don't hit refresh up here, I wouldn't believe the results. That's all I'm going to say. Alright, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. Like I state, you can't give up on certain things. You can't give up and just stop. You know what I mean? You have to really kind of fit your mind to it, so to speak, when it comes to trying to create your own income online, or a bigger income online, to the point where you can pay some bills with it, so on and so forth, or whatever it may be, or even pay for everything. You kind of got to do that. Now, realize now, what I'm doing is literally the minimum amount of work to make money, guys. And last month I made $680. Alright, so let's get to it here. We're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secret. We're gonna click on mailing system, all our leads here. We're gonna click on the next email here. Right here, oh, my spleen, blah blah blah, whatever, right? We're gonna get that link in the email. What you want to get for the links, you want to use for your email, you want to use this link here, all-in-one $25 business. This promotes a $20 commission and a $100 commission every month, right, guys? That's the one you want to promote. That's why I use that term. But people were asking me where I'm getting $100 commissions from. That's what it is. Alright, guys, so we're just gonna, I think that's about it, guys. We're gonna preview it. Now, when you preview, you want to make sure your links work. I know my links work because this is an email I already used. You want to use perfect timing. What that does is send an email around time people check emails. And then you want to send it, you're done, guys. That's all it takes. You do this every morning, you're good. Very simple rules, very simple, fit together, easy to do. I'm just saying. And we're done, guys. That's all it is. Like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, baby. And we'll see you next time. Peace.